Pink. Kind of fluorescent yellow. Purple. Yellow. Blue.
Good job, Dominic.
That's a good game.
Yeah.
I think you'll learn the colors that way.
Maybe.
I have to buy more.
Oh, something new? Oh. What's Nanny, Granny, Mimi got for you?
Natty pants.
Nanny Nana. Yeah. Just patted it.
Yep. You guys are on video.
Huh?
You guys are on video.
Oh, it's video.
Inspected it.
Oh. So you heard all my names. Here. Here you go.
There's Bob looking good.
Bob.
Crotch shot.
Watch shots.
Two.
Here's Two's new skis. Here she